Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about Base44 pricing for 2026 and see which plan fits your needs. Base44 is an AI-powered app builder that helps you create apps fast without traditional coding. You just describe what you want and the AI builds it for you. It includes database tools, design features, and automation, so you can focus on ideas instead of syntax. Now let's go through the pricing step by step. The first plan is the free plan. This one costs $0 a month and it gives you access to the core base, 44 features. You get 25 message credits and 100 integration credits each month. You can still build real apps with it. It includes authentication database functions and analytics. This plan is perfect for beginners, students, or anyone who just wants to try the platform and see how it works. The second plan is the starter plan. This one costs $16 a month if you pay yearly or $20 if you pay monthly. It gives you 100 message credits and 2,000 integration credits every month. You also get unlimited number of apps and in-app code edits. That means you can test more ideas and build small tools for personal or school projects. It is great if you are just starting to build apps seriously and want a little more power. Next is the Builder plan. This plan costs $40 a month on yearly billing or $50 on monthly billing. It gives you 250 message credits and 10,000 integration credits every month. This plan adds back-end functions, so you can run your own server logic. You can also connect your own domain name and integrate your GitHub account. This plan is ideal for freelancers or small teams who are building apps for clients or testing startup ideas. Then we have the Pro plan. The Pro plan costs $80 per month on yearly billing or $100 if paid monthly. You get 500 message credits and 20,000 integration credits per month. This plan is great for developers who manage multiple projects or growing apps. You also get early access to beta features, a free domain for 1 year, and 25 credits you can share with a friend. The Pro plan is made for users who want more control and scale. The last one is the Elite plan. This is the top tier plan. It costs $160 a month on yearly billing or $200 on monthly billing. You get 1,200 message credits and 50,000 integration credits every month. It includes everything from the lower plans plus premium support, early access to new tools, and a free domain for 1 year. This plan is for big projects, teams, or companies that want the best performance and full access to all Base44 features. All plans include unlimited apps, which means you can build as many projects as you want. The only limit is your monthly credits. The more credits you have, the more the AI can generate and integrate for you. If you choose yearly billing, you save 20% overall. So if you are planning to use Base44 long term, it is better to pay yearly instead of monthly. Now let's help you decide which plan to pick. If you are just starting out or want to learn how Base44 works, then the free plan is perfect. It has all the basics you need. If you are a student, a hobbyist, or a beginner developer, then go for the starter plan. It is affordable and gives you room to experiment. If you are a freelancer or someone building professional projects for clients, then the Builder plan gives you all the flexibility you need. If you manage bigger apps or have multiple users, then the Pro plan is a strong choice. It has enough credits for more complex workflows. And if you are working on a large-scale business or need support and speed, then the Elite plan is the best option. It is made for power users who want everything unlocked. Base44 makes it easy to move between plans. You can upgrade anytime if your app grows or if you need more credits. You do not lose your progress, and everything stays in your account. To sum it up, free is great for testing. Starter is great for personal use. Builder is for professionals. Pro is for developers with multiple projects, and Elite is for full-scale teams. So that is the complete breakdown of Base44 pricing in 2026. Each plan is designed to match your level and goals, whether you are just experimenting or running a real business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and comment below which plan fits you best. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.